Videos are essential for digital marketing, both for sales and for delivering content. Nowadays, there's no comparison between the performance of a sales funnel with a video and a sales funnel without. Videos have transformed the internet, but nobody wants to see a YouTube video on their sales page showing the controls and recommended videos at the end. Not to mention that being unprofessional, it takes away all the visitors' attention and focus from the sales process. Builderall developed our video hosting and video management platform, and we invested heavily in robust servers so that you can have the entire structure in one place and a professional result in your digital marketing. Much more than a professional tool, an extremely secure system for you to host your sales videos and content, Builderall's Video Manager is the complete solution for creating incredible effects on your videos. With a super intuitive interface and in a matter of minutes without any experience, you can host your videos on Builderall with a complete peace of mind that your content will be protected against unauthorized downloads while having full control of what the user can do on your video, such as pause, rewind, skip ahead, and you can have full access to statistics as well. With Builderall's Video Manager, in addition to hosting your videos, you can use the system to create amazing video wrapping and achieve much more engagement on your social media. You can also add tags in your videos, making your videos clickable by placing a call to action at the right moment. And you also have the wall effect on your website by leaving your videos with a transparent background. Our video tool is fully integrated with our website builder, our e-learning system, and our webinar platform, making your work much easier and your time much more productive.